At HJC, our precise and reliable quality inspection is our commitment to every customer. All components must undergo strict inspection before warehousing. We follow international industry testing, standards and customer requirements to ensure the authenticity and reliability of original chips. The first step is receiving and preliminary inspection. We verify order information and check whether the outer packaging is sealed and intact. We ensure there are no signs of moisture, physical damage, or resealing. Then we check the label information against the manufacturer's datasheet and order specifications to ensure consistency. Subsequently, the chips proceed to in-depth inspection visual inspection. Under an optical microscope, the chip surface is magnified for detailed observation, focusing on ensuring pins are flat without oxidation or bending. Surface markings are clear, accurate, and no scratches. And the chip body is without cracks, chips, or pits. We also use precision calipers to measure the chip's length, width, height, and pin spacing to ensure compliance with the parameters specified in the manufacturer's datasheet. Next comes the silkscreen and acetone test. Our inspectors use a swab with acetone to wipe the chip markings, checking how strong and chemical resistant they are. It's a crucial way to tell genuine chips from refurbished ones. We perform the scraping test to verify the adhesion of the markings. Inspectors gently scratch the chip surface with a metal blade. This follows JEDEC standards to ensure the markings do not peel off. Next, we move on to the advanced inspection stage. For internal structures, we use the non-destructive X-ray inspection. It functions like a CT scan for chips. It reveals the internal world without damage. Key criteria include checking for consistent bonding wire arc without breaks, ensuring the die is properly centered, and verifying solder balls are uniform in size with no cold solder joints or voids. When X-ray reveals anomalies or when customers have specific requirements, we proceed to the ultimate analysis, the decapsulation test. This process opens up the chip and exposes the die so we can inspect it directly. Our engineers first fix the chip onto a special fixture, then place it into the decap machine. With precise control of the etching liquids, concentration, temperature, and timing. Once the packaging is removed, the internal die is exposed and can be carefully examined under a microscope. After decapsulation, the sample undergoes neutralization and cleaning to ensure that no contaminants interfere with the subsequent analysis. The cleaned chip is transferred to a high magnification optical microscope for inspection. This test helps verify authenticity by examining internal structures and wafer markings to inspect the exposed die for any structural anomalies. Every result is recorded and generates a detailed inspection report. After multi-dimensional inspections and strict quality control, only qualified components can enter the supply chain. HJC Electronic, professional quality control ensuring every chip's reliability.